New developments taking place in the appeal case of former 8 Mile Rock High School teacher convicted of having sex with male students. Vinette Curie was in court today. She has the latest.
It didn't take more than 15 minutes for a convicted child molester, Andre Birbal, to impress the Court of Appeal panel, headed by President Justice Nita Allen and Justices Stanley John and Christopher Blackman. After firing 2 court-appointed lawyers, the Trinidadian teacher, who represented himself, argued just one ground of his appeal, suggesting that the trial judge did not direct the jury on the issue of corroboration in the case, which he said left the door open for jurors to use the evidence of one boy to support the testimony of the other. Last February, Birbal was sentenced to 35 years in prison after a jury found him guilty of 6 counts of unnatural sex with 2 of his Grand Bahama male students. After hearing Birbal's arguments, the court asked Director of Public Prosecutions, Vinette Allen, who appeared on behalf of the Crown, if the judge was wrong in his direction of the jury. The evidence of one boy can support the evidence of the other. Graham Allen agreed with the former teacher's position, noting that the judge could have been more explicit in his direction to jurors. The court then asked Graham Allen what should happen in the case. She suggested the court allow his appeal and order a retrial. But the court questioned the fairness of a retrial, noting that it is not Birbal's fault. The court also pointed out that the complainants, who were between 12 and 14 at the time, are now adults. But Graham Allen still asked the court to order a retrial in the interest of justice and society, even though the sex acts occurred 10 years ago. She also suggested the retrial take place here in the capital, despite the cost. In the end, the Court of Appeal reserved its decision. Meantime, Andre Birbal will remain in custody at Fox Hill Prison, pending the court's ruling. Vinette Curie, ZNS News.